Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull to invest. First, you will open your Webull account by providing some basic personal information and linking your bank account. Funding your account is simple. You can start with as little as $50. Once funded, take a moment to explore the user-friendly interface. You will quickly find essential tools for your investment journey, making the initial setup straightforward and efficient. Now that your account is ready, let's make your first trade. Use the search bar to find the stock or exchange-traded fund you are interested in. You can choose a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price point. Always review your order details carefully before confirming. With just a few taps, your investment journey will officially begin. Webull offers powerful tools to enhance your investing. Dive into in-depth research and analytical charts to make informed decisions about your assets. You can also create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on stocks or exchange-traded funds you are considering. For those new to trading, the paper trading feature allows you to practice strategies with virtual money, building confidence without any real financial risk. Effectively managing your investments is crucial for long-term success. Webull provides clear dashboards to monitor your portfolio's performance, showing individual asset gains or losses. You can review key metrics such as daily returns and your overall account value at a glance. When you are ready to access your funds, initiating a withdrawal is a straightforward process, ensuring you have full control over your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.